Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we are going to learn a very important topic in English grammar, prepositions. In this video, we will learn its definitions. We will focus on their types, under what circumstances can you use each type, and we will also understand their use with the help of suitable examples. Now, let's start. Prepositions are parts of speech that show relationships between words in a sentence. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Consider this statement. The book is on the table. Here, on is the preposition. The preposition on shows the relationship between the book and the table. Generally, prepositions indicate where, when, why, or how something happens. Therefore, they play a key role in phrasal verbs and collocations, where changing the preposition can alter the meaning of a phrase entirely. Now, let's learn their types. The first type is place. These type of prepositions indicate the location. What is the use? They shows position. Let's understand with the help of suitable examples. Example number 1. The book is the book is in this sentence, on is the preposition. Next sentence is she is in the room. Here, in is the preposition. Next sentence is, next type of preposition is time. They indicate when something happened. So, in the use we can write, they show time. For example, we met at 5 p.m. So, at is the preposition here and it is indicating when we met. Next sentence is, she was born in July. Here, in is the preposition and it indicates when the particular lady was born. Next type of preposition is direction. These type of prepositions show the movement. For example, he went to school. Here, to is the preposition. Next sentence, they walked towards the park. Here, towards is the preposition. That shows the direction to which they walked. Next type of preposition is manner. These type of prepositions show how something happened. To be particular, they show the method. For example, she spoke in a soft voice. Here, in is the preposition that shows that how she spoke. Next sentence is, he solved it with ease. Here, with is the preposition that shows how something was solved. Next type of preposition is cause, which shows the reason for something to happen. To be particular, it shows why. For example, he was absent because of illness. Here, because of is the preposition that shows why was he absent. Next sentence is they won due to practice. Here, due to is the preposition that shows why they won. Next type of preposition is comparison. It is used where contrast is to be shown. For example, she is taller than me. Here, than is the preposition, and in this particular sentence, two individuals are being compared. So, therefore, we need to use preposition of comparison. Next sentence, unlike him, she is kind. Here, unlike is the preposition. Here also, two individuals are being compared on the basis of their kindness. Next type of preposition is preposition of possession. This particular type shows the ownership. For example, the keys are with John. Here, with is the preposition that shows that John is the owner of the keys. Next sentence is the book is of my friend. Here, of is the preposition and it is showing that my friend is the owner of the particular book I am talking about. Next, the final type of preposition is agent or instrument. Which shows who or what. For example, the letter was written by her. Here, by is the preposition. Next sentence is, he cut it with scissors. Here, with is the preposition.